Well, hello everyone and welcome back to Pringleton Model Railway. Whichever it is, thank you for stepping by. Today we are heading out and about, heading down to Bexhill-on-Sea, which is the home of Eddie Izzard's model railways. So hopefully we'll get some inspiration from that. So sit back, pour yourself a drink. Welcome once again to the Pringleton Model Railway. Okay, so we are straight in here at Ebbsfleet International, waiting for the train for the first step of the journey down to Ashford, or Ashford International. So if all goes according to plan, this train will be carrying the one and only Jack Wright from St Pancras. So here he is, the one and only Jack Wright.
Have you finished now?
So we sit back and enjoy the ride down. Lovely on High Speed 1, straight over the Rochester Bridge, over the River Medway here. So here we are at Ashford International and we are changing trains. So now we're on the next train, a diesel unit, and we're on the marshalling line from Ashford heading towards Eastbourne. But we will of course be getting off at Bexhill-on-Sea. Now what a pleasant journey this is. Countryside, wonderful old signal box seen at Rye, and indeed a windmill there as well. More countryside, Winchelsea station, and then it gives way to the Romney Marshes, which is beautiful on a sunny day as we travelled on. Final section along the coast towards Bexhill, beautiful on this crisp sunny day.
We're here.
So here we are, we have arrived at the Bexhill station now, so we're going to take a stroll down to the town museum.
Bexhill Museum.
Okay, so we're in the museum now and it's time to take a look at the first railway, which is the Izzard Family Railway. Now, we learnt that Eddie and his brother, their mother died when they were quite young children, and their father used the model railway as something to work on together to help them bond as a family. So some great interactive push-button features, superb for kids visiting the museum. It's not a huge layout, push-button operation for two trains, a lovely, I think a Class 73 intercity there, and a steamer goods train. Really lovely detail in the centre of the double track, lots of stock, lots of wagons, lots of locos, and some fantastic buildings and scenic work as well. Really sense that there's been a labour of love putting this together. And again, although this isn't a huge layout by any measure, you can see that the family have made every bit of space count with some running options, some intricate track work, and some really beautiful detailed scenic work and buildings. Loads of great stuff here. Beyond the railways, of course, a whole section on motoring, vehicles, trams, everything. Really good stuff. Some other models too, including one of the famous Delaware Pavilion, which prompted us to visit the real thing. So now it is time for a little break, and we are here at the Delaware Pavilion with tea and latte, and the sun is shining, and it is very nice indeed. And who'd have thought it? All of this has put dear old Jack in somewhat of a contemplative mood.
So it's really something to see how the Izzard family used to play with that railway, and it reminds us that a model railway was something that the family could play with together, and it was really good to see that. Quite a good day out.
Well, there we have it. So that's the first layout wrapped, the Izzard Family Layout. Really interesting. Some great action on the logos and the lights there. So if you've liked this episode, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and maybe check out some of the other episodes in the series as well. So we will be back next time with a look at the second layout. So yes, we're staying in Bexhill for a look at the winter wartime layout. So we're going to finish up now with a bit of wonderful music and a little look at some more action from the layout. So thanks again for watching, and we will see you again soon. Bye.
Bye.
Ha 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 ha.